Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, November 22, 2022 on our channel. The new temperature display from Eckelmann. Enex Technologies to acquire Emicon AC S.p.A, Hidros S.r.l and Ethra Tech S.r.l. ISH 2023. ICS Cool Energy ensures hot and cold stores in North and East England. BellSimons Companies opens Mitsubishi Electric Authorized Training Center. Axiom Cloud saved the world's leading meal kit provider HelloFresh over at its pilot site. AHR Expo announces 2023 education program. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. The new temperature display from Eckelmann. VDD 500 Vertus data display. Even at a distance or in dark environments, the illuminated LED display is easy to read. The new Vertus data display VDD 500 from Eckelmann displays temperature, defrost and alarm status in a visually appealing way. The LED temperature display with white digits is versatile. Among other things, it is suitable for front installation in LT/NT refrigeration cabinet panels or for cold rooms. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Enex Technologies to acquire Emicon AC S.p.A, Hidros S.r.l and Ethra Tech S.r.l. Enex Technologies, through CCC Holdings Europe S.p.A, has entered into a sale and purchase agreement for the acquisition of Emicon AC S.p.A, Hidros S.r.l and Ethra Tech S.r.l. Enex Technologies, a transformative world leader in natural and energy-efficient cooling, heating and refrigeration equipment, HVACR, announced the signing of the sale and purchase agreement for the acquisition of Emicon A. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ISH 2023. The world's leading trade fair for HVAC plus water will take place in Frankfurt am Main again from 13 to March 17, 2023. New and in addition to the well-known trade fair experience, ISH 2023 offers a digital extension. ISH meets the growing demand for comfort, convenience, individualization, well-being, and aesthetics. Integrated solutions are able to cover all these requirements and make a decisive contribution to energy-efficient and resource-friendly building systems. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. ICS Cool Energy ensures hot and cold stores in North and East England. Maintaining specific temperatures to guarantee product consistency or desired environment to test products' resistance to extreme ambient temperatures have been the challenges presented to ICS Cool Energy, an international market leader specializing in complete temperature control solutions for manufacturing process and facilities applications. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. BellSimons Companies opens Mitsubishi Electric Authorized Training Center. Mitsubishi Electric Train HVAC US LLC, METIS, a leading supplier of ductless and ducted mini-split and variable refrigerant flow (VRF) heat pump and air conditioning systems, is proud to announce that BellSimons Companies, a wholesaler of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration (HVACR) equipment and METIS distributor, has opened a Mitsubishi Electric Authorized Training Center (MATC) in Waterville, Maine. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Axiom Cloud saved the world's leading meal kit provider HelloFresh over at its pilot site. Axiom Cloud, creator of the Facilities Analyzer and virtual battery apps, announced that its suite of refrigeration management software has delivered of value in the first 6 months of operation at a HelloFresh cold storage warehouse. Driven by a desire to reduce complexity and use data to lower operational costs across its large-scale production facilities, HelloFresh chose a partner with a reputation for optimizing refrigeration, Axiom Cloud. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. AHR Expo announces 2023 education program. The AHR Expo, International Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigerating Exposition, today announced the full schedule for the 2023 AHR Expo education program. This year's program will feature more than 200 free seminars, including a robust panel series, new product and technology presentations, professional certifications, and continuing education courses. Additionally, in response to the industry's call for more training via shared knowledge and opportunities for open discussion, the program has been extended to include Wednesday sessions. Read more of the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.